Hi peeps, I'm Kuldeep. In this video, we will learn call, apply and bind method in JavaScript. You can code along with me. So let's start. Suppose we have an object name which has two fields. First name, that is Kuldeep, name, that is Patel. Suppose this object also has a function which prints the full name. So I'm declaring it like this: get full name function. In JavaScript, there is a keyword this which every function has. So if I console.log this dot first name, this dot last name, so here in this function, this keyword refers to the object name, and this dot first name will fetch the value of this first name. This dot last name will fetch the value of this last name. So if I call this function name dot get full name, let's see what I get on console. I will get Kuldeep Patel on console. Correct? So let's have another object cons name 2 having the same properties, first name and last name. Suppose here first name is Raman, last name is Kumar. So if I want to print the full name of this name to object, then one way is I can copy this get full name here, or the other way is I can borrow the function from name object and call that function on name to object. So this is a pretty much good way. So in JavaScript, this can be done using all the three methods: call, apply and bind. By these methods, we can borrow the functionality of other object or function, and we can reuse the code. So let's call name dot get full name. Every function in JavaScript has these functions call, apply and bind in their prototype. I will show you in prototype. So I will call on this function. The first argument in call refers to the reference of the object on which we want to call this get full name function. So here reference would be name2. I will be calling get full name on name2 object. Okay, so let's run it and see what happens. If I run it, I can see Raman Kumar is printed now. So this is how call method can be called. What if I pass some parameter to this get full name and I want to call that function with that parameter also? So suppose in full name I have passed the city as parameter and printing that city here. So I can pass all the parameter passed in this function after the reference object passed. So I will pass here as Mathura. So if I run again, I will get the output Raman Kumar Mathura and Kuldeep Patel undefined. Why undefined? Because I have not passed any value for this parameter city in this function call. So I will pass Delhi here. Let's see what happens. I get Kuldeep Patel Delhi now. So it is coming up. So what if I pass country here and printing the country? So I can pass this country here after the city parameter. Country as India. I am also passing country here as India, and let's see the output. So it is printing Kuldeep Patel Delhi India, Raman Kumar Mathura India. So in call method, all function parameters are passed after the reference name like this, separated by commas. So this is how call works. Apply method also works in the similar way like call. The only difference is these parameters that are passed here are passed into an array. So let's call apply method on this function and passing these parameters into an array, and let's see the output. So output is Raman Kumar Mathura India for this call, and Raman Kumar Mathura India's second one is for this apply. So this is how apply works. And for bind takes the argument in a similar way to call method. The only difference is it returns a function that can be called later on. So let's call bind method on this function. This is bind, and it returns a function, so I am taking that function into a variable called func, calling that function using func. Let's see what happens. So I am getting this one for call, this one for apply, and the last one for bind method. So this is how call, apply, and bind can be used to borrow functionality from other objects or functions. Keep watching. Thank you.